back. Hold on a sec. All right, I need to get everything up first before I do anything. Where is my? Oh, you know what it is? Okay, my webcam PC is right here. Oh wait, that's already being used. Okay, hold on a sec. So I need to switch scenes a few times. Oh, there I am. Oh god. Okay, I need to turn Milocam off. And then my V. Okay, there I am. Oh god, I don't like the way my hair looks. But you know what? That's fine. Let's do that like that. Something like that. Or I'll go over here. Where's my VTuber? Oh god. We're gonna put the VTuber right here. Alright, and now it is time for AI cool shit. I don't know what source I'm dragging right now. That's the fuck is that? Wait. Whoop. 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 See, it's like mirrored, so it's weird. Bah. Bah. It like sometimes doesn't track the mouth. Alright. So let me just do like I gotta switch this to Dall-E. Twitch. Oh my god, please load. Wait, I'm not. Okay, good. I was gonna say, I hope I'm not recording as well, but I'm not. Okay, so let me edit the stream info to. It's my birthday. Using up Dall-E credits. Chrono Trigger with mom. And showing off Pokemon cards after dinner. And then hashtag VTuber, hashtag mixed reality is technically what this is called. Got paper. Yo, congrats, Rich! Alright, so I gotta change the category too. Would it be just chatting? Is there an A? There's still not an AI category, is there? AI, an experience with artificial intelligence. AI wars, no. It's just gotta be just chatting. Just chatting. Alright. Alright, so... I should probably close my Chrome entirely. So bullshit is not being seen. But fuck PayPal. Yeah, fuck PayPal in general. Alright, let me just get to Dall-E and make sure that everything is okay. God, I gotta log in again. It never, like, remembers my password. I'm pretty sure. Because GPT-4 is now out, so... Okay, what... Here, let's see. Okay, Dall... Can I just do it in, like, my... God damn it. I need to, like, check... I need to check my Firefox history. Maybe I can do it from there. I'm just looking at all my, like, the stupid videos we saw last time. What would it have been? February, I guess? Okay, here we go. Yeah, let's go here. This is probably the right URL. If I can make it work. Okay. Okay, we're here. What the hell was my password? This should be my password, right? Okay, we're in. Cool. So, so let me think of how I want to do this. I guess I'll just do what I've been doing. I'll use display capture once I can get over here. All right. So let me... Whoa, shit. Alright, so I want to put that over there, and I want to put this over here, and I want to put that over there. And I wonder if there's a way I can get the chat on screen with this. Also, I just realized that I gotta put my camera more to the, No, that's not MiloCam. Where's MiloCam? No, that's... I have it labeled as MiloCam PC just because that's what I've been using it as. So that's gotta go, like, a little over there. Let's say over there. That's probably fine, right? Okay, I think we're good. Alright, display capture. Where is it? There it is. Hey, nope, don't lock it. Alright, there we go. Alright. So what are we doing? We gotta do something. Tucker Carlson really upset over the green M and M. I don't know if this is gonna work. Also, yeah, I know. There's no like. Is there a dark? I don't think there's a dark mode. Is there? Fuck. Oh well. Really? Yeah. It's not gonna let me do Tucker Carlson. Whoa! There goes my mouse. There goes my mouse. There goes my mouse. Oh fuck. Oh, that was really. That almost was really bad. Hold on. I gotta turn off display capture. I do enjoy the Dall-E stuff. That's good to hear. I like my fucking mouse was just like about to just fucking evacuate. So let me get back there. Yeah, Dall-E's fun. I wanna do more AI stuff, but I don't know what to do. Like what else I should be doing. Hold on. All right. Okay, let's put display back on. All right. So what you got any requests, Rich, for Dall-E for a prompt? Hold on. Jo Stabile Stalin and Gandhi argue about their depictions in the new Clone High season. It's not gonna let me do that. No way. Yeah, it's not letting me do that. Okay, hold on. Cleopatra and Joan of Arc. Yeah. Oh, hey, Walter's playing stuff. Is it gonna let me do this? You got one, Rich? Alright, that's not... Kind of? I mean, not really. Like, not at all, actually. Huh. It's like, why do you get to date Abraham Lincoln? Or whatever the fuck. I mean, it kind of like, it kind of knows what Jonah, like, it I don't know, I feel like it's kind of understanding what Joan of Arc is supposed to be doing. All right, I don't know. Rich, give me the prompt that you want me to do, and don't just say like milk and milk and milk and milk or whatever. Like milk. Ah. Got like that. I'm looking on my laptop at the stream, and that generate button is just so... I don't know. There's something about it that like it clashes with the rest of the screen for some reason. Because like I catch it changing colors in my peripheral vision, so it's like it's weird. Okay, I got to think of another one. I'm so mad I didn't use up my credits last month. It sucks. I need some... How about hats arguing over what person to hop on? Hats arguing over what person they should hop on. I don't know if it's gonna understand hop on as like an action. Also, we gotta do like some signifiers, like yeah, like see, it even says like here, like one line drawing. Teddy bear shopping for groceries, one line drawing. You know what? That's an interesting idea. Okay, well, what is wrong with this woman's face? This is like a horse. She's like wearing a sock on her hand, like a split sock. How many credits do you have? I currently have 13, I believe. Yeah, I got 13 left. Uh, that's not a hat. That's a bucket. That's like an Irish bucket. Can I just use? Oh, I can just use that. Uh, all right. You know what? I'm gonna. There's something I want to see. I'm gonna turn display capture off real quick. Uh, just so I can see, because I know there's a complete the image kind of thing. I don't want to just like do prompts. I want to see if there's like any images I have on my computer that I would want to like have them complete. Because hold on a sec. Uh, Here, let me just like upload any random image, and I want to see what skip cropping. Uh, what are the options here? I want to know what I can do. Editor guide. So in teddy bears mixing the laboratory. In painting app and gives you more control over creative vision. Uh, how do I? Yeah, how much usage? Yeah, it's just one credit. So this was a shit prompt. No, it was fine. How do I use the editor effectively? Yeah, so to make sure that it contains enough useful context to the area you're expanding. Uh, Hold on. The editor supports shortcut for zooming in. Are there any other tips? No, I want to expand here. Let me see. Are not currently saved automatically. Make sure to download. Oh shit. So what do? You just like expand them? Teddy bears mixing sparkling chemicals in the laboratory. Uh, the generation frame contains the image context that the model will see when you submit a text prompt. So make sure that it contains enough useful context. Okay, you know what? We can use up one credit for this to like actually test it. All right, here. Let me go back to that. Uh, so if I place that here, and then how big can I make this? I want to know. All right, let me actually get a real image for this, and not I just used like a Man of Medan image. So let me see what I have on my computer. I'm like really paranoid that I have display capture on, but I don't, so we're good. Uh, hmm. Okay, I got so many images just like all over the place. Oh, wait. Okay, here's one. Okay. Um, Wait, what? Apart from the hentai? Oh, it's not just hentai that I don't want people seeing. Okay. I have an idea. So I'm gonna upload this from Misk desktop shit. So let me do that. Where is it? Misk. I have a folder called just Misk desktop shit. All right, where is it? There it is. Okay, let's here. Where am I gonna crop it? Okay, that's fine. Uh, okay. So okay. I'm turning it back on once I close this. Where's display? There it is. Okay. So This is Hideo Kojima with Norman Reedus. Uh, I don't know. I don't know what I have to do here. Actually, add generation frame pan. So let's have it like right there, and then we. I don't know. I don't actually know what I can do from here. Because okay, you know, here's what we're doing. Let's. Oh no, I don't want to do that. I wanna like have it expand. Wait, no, I know what I have to do. I think. No, that's not what I have to do. Uh, what is this? Add generation, pan, select. Uh, yeah. So what do I do here? Do I just like? Okay, I guess we just erase shit out of this. So let's do that. Oh God. Oh, that's what this is. All right. Let's do some erasing. Let's do some erasing, 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 erasing. Oh. Okay, that's fine if we get some of his hat. Who cares? Okay. Uh, expand the image. Uh, expand the image. I guess I don't know. I don't know what that's gonna do. Oh, I'm scared. Actually, fuck. I don't know what's gonna happen here. Give me something good. Oh, it actually mostly got it right. Well, not on that one. On this one. What was the original? I mean, that was the original, because I erased shit. I like the different interpretations of his hat. Like what the fuck is this? And escapalid. All right, we gotta do more prompts. We can't waste our energy on that. Uh, so yeah, let's get back. Uh, whoa. Mavis Beacon from Mavis Beacon Teaches Typing goes to the supermarket goes to the supermarket for eggs. Pixel art. I don't. This is how good is it at rendering faces? I don't know. Like just from a prompt or from like editing an image itself? Because is it gonna let me do this? It might not even let me do this. Oh, you know what? Yeah, we could do stuff that's like not just whoa. Is that what Mavis Beacon looks like? There she is. Also, I don't know. I don't know what just showed up in my search bar right now. That's probably fine. If I have to edit that, I'll look through that. Uh, Beej. I don't think it would be because I don't use Firefox as the thing. Hmm. Taco. Taki taco. Hmm. Okay. A a wolf, a Samoyed, and a Arabian. Okay, hold on. And an Arabian wolf standing above. Okay, a photo of a wolf. Wait, of a gray wolf, a Samoyed, and an Arabian wolf standing above breakfast beach. Yag! And a wolf standing above. Wait, no. Standing at the edge of a cliff overlooking the Maldives. I don't know. Let's see what it does with this. I'm curious. A cat submarine chimera digital art. Well, that looks weird. All right. Okay, that might have been too descriptive. This does not look like a Samoyed at all. That's like a, I don't know. That Samoyed's kind of fucked. It's like very it hasn't been eaten as much as it should be. Yeah, this is just I don't know if it was too descriptive maybe. This is a pig. This is not a dog. This is a pig right here. Or it's like like they're fused together, these dogs over here. Okay. I'm thinking. How many we got left? We got 10. Rich, have I showed you all my other ones? Wait, I gotta go to my collection. Where is it? No, where? History. That's not what it is. Not collection. Because we got these hats. We got that. Oh yeah, I made a short out of this one. Life's as extreme as you want to make it. All right. We need to go back. The Edge of Space. Digital art. Front page of ArtStation. We can do simple things like that. Yeah, I like this one. An astronaut lounging in a tropical resort in space. Vaporwave. I mean, you could see that there's like things wrong with that. Whoa. That's cool until you like realize that there's some things wrong here. But yeah. Ooh, I like these. Ooh. Is this a creeper from Minecraft with a boner? Okay. Kind of looks like it. Okay, that's just nonsense. It's just like, ooh, Star Wars. And then, yeah. Okay, Ah, a snowstorm. Photo of a snowstorm. Because this is not that descriptive, so I'm curious what it'll do with that, when it's just, like, not descriptive enough. Painting of a fox in the style of Starry Night. Ooh! Huh. See, this just straight up looks like a place that's near me. Eh. I mean, they're photos. Uh... Hmm. I'm thinking. I'm thinking. The land of El Dorado. But better. I want to do things in a style of... You know what? SpongeBob SquarePants in the style of Junji Ito. Drawn. Okay. Junji Ito. I'm sure someone else has done this before. Photograph of an astronaut riding a horse. Whoa. Kind of? Yeah, I could like see him turning into a snail. Oh, yo, Rich, have you ever seen that Epic Mickey, the concept art for that? Whoa, he's got a third leg. Uh, yo, what's up, John? How you doing? I'm doing Dall-E stuff. Yo, John, you got any requests for a prompt? You think so? Okay, cool. Any requests? Cause how many credits do I have left? I have 7 credits left. Okay, we still got some stuff. A what? Do you know how AI works at all, John? Like in terms of like image generating AI? Because what you do is you type in a prompt over here, and then it like tries to do that. So here I'll give you examples. Let me show you my history. Where is it? Okay, so uh here, let's just go all the way down because like actually my icon is AI generated. Let me find it. Where did I put it? Okay, you know what? Here's a wait, no, where is it? Where's the example? This is my icon. A happy blonde man in his 20s wearing a Mario hat and holding a video game controller. Abstract art. It's like prompts like that. And obviously you can tell that something's wrong here because uh the shoulder buttons are D-pads. But yeah. And it's all AI. It's not a oh yeah, I did this. The cover of a romance novel featuring vampires and werewolves. Van pliage lavun rempel vote. Because like it has like this weird like gibberish language. Uh well, I'm trying to think of because I've been doing this for a while. What was it? Dr. Robotnik gets drunk at a bar after finding out his wife has been cheating on him for years. Obviously things like this happen where it doesn't totally understand what's going on. But it'll generate like 4 pictures. I'd read it. Nice. And look, a hyper-realistic Peter Griffin from Family Guy standing in a field of flowers. That does not look hyper-realistic at all. Uh, oh yeah, this I think looks cool. The famous painting Saturn devouring his son. That's the one where it's the dude like eating like but Cronus is eating a cheeseburger instead. And I mean, he just turned into a cheeseburger. Uh, I think this has probably been my best prompt. That one looks a little weird. But these two that looks good. I think. I mean, I don't know what's going on over here, but that looks good. Uh, Trying to think what it was. A smiling blonde man holding a video game controller and giving a thumbs up. Yeah, and you can tell something's wrong because the eye's fucked up. Oh, it also doesn't know how to do hands like at all. Uh, yeah. Oh yeah. Also, that was what I was gonna say. Where is it? 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 Oh yeah, this is one of my favorites. Final Fantasy 17 being shown off at Tokyo Game Show 2027. Fancy, fantasy. uh, Fori Festua Yanni 2011 Frati Vinum Fern Flora Ferne Fori Vacassi 2018. Oh yeah, a fight breaks out between two elderly men on the stage of America's Got Talent. Uh, what is this? Oh, a pole dancing Twitch streamer gets swatted. Kind of. less of that guy. Oh yeah, Donkey Kong wearing futuristic headgear in Cyberpunk 2077. I don't think it understands who Donkey Kong is. It's just doing a donkey. Uh. Oh yeah, I like this one. Weird Al Yankovic arguing with Tony Soprano. Not really. Closer. Not close-ish. I don't like. That's just Chris Chan. No, who is that? I don't know. Oh wait, where is it? I was looking for it. Where was it? It was somewhere around here. Oh yeah, this is. I just put my VTuber model and I had it edited and it looks like nonsense. Uh, where was it? Oh, this. Yeah, if I ever if I ever be like actually get a model, I would want to look like closer to this. Obviously with it like touched up because it looks weird, but I like the vest. I like the tie. Uh, Anime thumbnail where the main character is a female ninja perched on a wall. Okay. When you say okay, like a YouTube thumbnail? Cause I'll do that. Wait, okay. Uh YouTube thumbnail of an anime woman female ninja perched on a wall. How about that? Is that good, John, or do you want me to do anything different there? Anime movie cover. Okay. All right. Anime movie cover featuring a female ninja perched on a wall. We need more information than this. Is she like what kind? What's the like what kind of? Well, not what kind of wall is it? Like what is it? Is that literally it? Just she's just perched on a wall? I mean, I'll do that if that's what you want. Like could she be like overlooking a city, or you want to just do that? You don't want to. I don't know if you want to overload it with. Yep. Let's see. All right, we'll just do this. Anime movie cover featuring a female ninja perched on a wall. Let's see how it is. Like, see, it shows you examples. Ooh, that's not... I mean, the face... There's something wrong with the face a little bit, but yeah. And there's the gibberish over there. I think it's trying to imitate Japanese. I like this. This could be touched up. I think this could actually be a really cool poster. Like, the composition is there. It just needs to actually, like, look good. Okay, well, her legs... She's, like... Okay, she's got 1, 2, 3 knees. So, there you go. Yeah, or she's taking a dump. I don't know. I like this one, because I like the leg, like, back there like that. Like, this could be touched up to be pretty cool. Like, if it, like, as long as, like... Yeah, I don't know. I mean, yeah, that one, she also looks like she's taking a dump a little bit. She's like... Alright, let me think of something. What if the 2024 presidential election was an anime? Wait. 2024 presidential debate as an anime. Anime key visual for the yeah, okay. Let's see what this has. I don't know if this is gonna let me do this. It might not let me do this. Where did my my mouse pad is down there. Ah. Yeah, let's see what it does. Okay. Decibeltive 2022. I said 2024. 22 Ti 22. Well, this is just completely cut off. Data. Okay, so we got Biden. We got that one dude with the sword from Chainsaw Man. And we got the Monster Energy VTuber. Okay, this is just... I don't know. Ital dier. Alright. That was dumb. We gotta be, like, more descriptive. We got 5 left. Okay, what can we do with 5 left? Okay, I want to do more anime stuff. The Super Mario Bros. Anime starring Chris Pratt. No, that's Chris Pratt is gonna fuck it up. How about a giant eating a hamburger that's eating a human that's eating a hamburger? I'll do that after this one. Super Mario Bros. Anime. Where Daisy... No. Super Mario Bros. Anime for the upcoming Winter 2023 anime... No, Winter 2024 anime season. Anime key visual from a trailer. No, just anime key visual. That's what you gotta do. Chris Pratt, exactly. For the upcoming Winter 2024 anime season. Oh, I didn't put a period. Oh, well, whatever. Because there's some properties that it knows. Okay, that just looks like a mess. Brpos Burblo. See, it understands Mario, kind of. Okay, maybe not. Is this Waluigi over here? That's just Link. Why is Link here? Link shouldn't be here. That's Zelda. Why is Zelda here? Alright. Okay. How about we do some like we give it some suffixes or not suffixes. We give it more like descriptions. So like a 3D render render of a giant eating a hamburger that's eating a human that's eating a hamburger. Hyper realistic. Hyper realistic. Okay. Let's see what this does. Yeah, I like this one. An astronaut lounging in a tropical resort in space. Pixel art. I think that looks good. Whoa, God. Okay, it did not. I don't think it understood at all what it wanted. Uh, I guess that would be the closest one, but that guy's like not. It's like a burger. It's like a human burger. Oh God, that's freaky. Okay. All right, we got three left. The hit indie game Hollow Knight pixel art. Let's see what it thinks of this. Fuck. Uh-oh. Um all right. Okay, I think we're fine. You're out of ideas. It's fine. We don't have many left. Whoa. Yo, it kind of knows what it is. Yo, that's interesting. It understands that it's like insect based. This dude's got like a condom on his like middle antennae. Yeah, it kind of understands it. A giant fighting Godzilla. Wait, what? I don't know if it'll do Jesus Christ. Okay. Found footage of Jesus Christ fighting Godzilla. Oh wait. A giant Jesus Christ fighting Godzilla in a wrecked erect. No, in a wrecked city. Uh in a wrecked city. Okay, that's probably fine. Okay, yeah. See, a 3D render of an astronaut walking in a green desert. It's like it like gives you all these examples. Whoa. Okay. Um, if that's Jesus over there, he's not very giant, and he also doesn't look like Jesus at all. And also, the city is I don't know. That is not Jesus. That's Gumby. He's just all right. I don't know if this was that good of a prompt. I like this. Jesus is using his telepathy powers with his three arms. I don't understand what's going on here. That's not Jesus. That's fucking what's his name? Not Voldemort. That's Hagrid. That's Hagrid fighting Godzilla. All right. Oh, speaking of, it does know that property. That is a property it knows. Um, Harry Potter does his taxes. Digital art, front page of ArtStation. Okay, that would not be on the front page of ArtStation. He's doing his taxes with his magic urn, fighting Goku in the Dragon Ball Z anime. Okay, fine. That's what we should do. This is not Harry Potter. This is just a leprechaun. Who is that? This is the guy from the Zelda CDI game. This is what is with the urns? Why? What? Like, does he have an urn? I don't know anything about Harry Potter. Okay. All right, we got one more. Oh shit! Oh, I thought I had one more. Okay, well, we're done. Fuck. My bad. I thought I had one more left after that. That sucks. Okay, you know what? Hold on a second. I wanna see something real quick. So I'm gonna turn off display because I do have a what's it called? I do have a stable diffusion thing, but I'm trying to think. Uh, hold on a sec. If this is something I want to show on stream, I feel like if I use it, it might also just straight up crash my OBS. So I don't know if that's a good idea. Um, let me do one like low step generation thing just as a test. If my OBS crashes, then that's why. Um, so here's what it'll be. Taco Tuesday, and then I just generate. Oh god, I feel like my yeah, no, there's no way. There's no way. Wait. I'm so afraid OBS is just gonna crash. Because this uses up so much shit. So much memory. It also takes a while to actually do, so that's something to keep in mind. Uh because I might just end now and then get ready for when I stream tonight in like 3 hours. Just to do some stuff. Like talk to my parents. I'm trying to think of what else I could do right now. Okay, no, no. My fan is going crazy. I'm closing that. Fuck that. Yeah. If okay, if I when I get a stronger computer, I'll do some stable diffusion stuff. But yeah, it's not gonna it like there's no way OBS isn't gonna crash or like my whole computer is just gonna like melt. I'm thinking if there's anything else I want to do like while we're here. I guess I could show some more of my history. Yeah. What else we got? Cause I can close that. Uh. Whoa. Whoa. What happened? Oh yeah, this was the critically acclaimed Earthbound inspired RPG Omori, where it kind of understands it but not really. Uh. That's like that's like more Undertale-ish. Oh yeah, that's what I did. Where is it? I gotta find it. I gotta find the Undertale anime that I did. Let me find it. Uh, there it is. Okay, the upcoming Undertale anime by Studio Trigger. Oh, that's what I should have done with some of those prompts. Yeah. Ah, well, whatever. I mean, like it understands what Undertale is for the most part. I mean, that's like a mix of Papyrus and Azrael. So yeah. Uh oh yeah, the next Nintendo console, the next. It's just the imagine a controller that just has like a like big like cardboard words just like glued to it with these little nubs here, just like mouse trackpads. Is what the joysticks are. All right. Oh yeah, Hatsune Miku in Super Smash Bros. Ultimate. Yeah, it didn't really understand that a lot. All right, you know what? I think I'm just gonna end for now. Uh, so yeah, that looks like a like torture. Yeah, exactly. I think I'm gonna end for now. I'll be back in whenever. Well, let me see who else is streaming. Well, yeah, hold on. If Walter's streaming, I'm just gonna raid him. Uh, I will see you soon. Yeah, yeah. I'll be back at 9. Or I'll be back in like 3ish hours, something like that. I'm gonna be playing Chrono Trigger with my mom. Should be fun. And after that, I'll show off my Pokemon cards. Uh, she might stick around for that. I don't actually know. Hold on. I need to go back to Twitch and I need to see if he is streaming or if anybody's streaming. Where is he? I imagine Walter's. Oh, he's not streaming. Oh, okay. All right, damn. No one else is streaming. Okay, I'm just gonna sign off then. All right. All right, I'll see you guys in like 3 hours. So, yeah, I'm gonna go have a fun dinner with my parents in a little bit. So, bye for now. Bye bye. Oh fuck! I didn't actually hit the. I hit the start recording button instead of stop streaming. Oh fuck. Okay, now I'm actually leaving. Okay.